In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install WhatsApp on your laptop or PC. First of all, click on Windows Start menu. Now search Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. In Microsoft Store search bar, search WhatsApp. In the left side, here is WhatsApp application. Click on that. Now to download and install WhatsApp, click on Get. It will take few moments to download and install WhatsApp on your laptop. Once download done, click on Open. You can also open WhatsApp using Windows Search. Click on Windows Search and then type WhatsApp. Here is WhatsApp application. Just click on that. Now click on Get Start to use WhatsApp. To use WhatsApp on your Windows device. Now open WhatsApp application on your mobile phone. Then click on three vertical dot at the top right corner. Click on linked devices. Now click on a linked device button. Scan the QR code. As you see, WhatsApp message loading. Now you can call and chat using WhatsApp application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.